to beat Chevrolet's truck record. More on the road in service than any other make. That's because right from the beginning, Chevrolet has designed and built them to meet America's changing needs. And that's true for 1981. The new generation of leaner, lighter Chevy pickups. Restyled, redesigned with advanced engineering detail to meet today's demands for operating efficiency without sacrificing toughness, payload, or the size of cab and pickup box. Traditional value features that people expect from a Chevy pickup. Here is the rugged Chevy fleet-side pickup, available with 6.5 or 8-foot box. Chevy step-side has a distinctive look with styled rear fenders and a handy side step. Standard is a wood floor in either the 6.5 or 8-foot box. Chevy bonus cab, the 4-door pickup with an 8-foot box and room inside for 3 passengers, and up to 56 cubic feet of protected lockable storage space behind the bench seat. Or for 6-passenger comfort, there's the 4-door crew cab that's standard with a full-size rear bench seat. For impressive economy in a 2-wheel drive pickup, Chevy offers diesel power in both fleet-side and step-side C10 models. And new for 1981, Chevy is introducing 2 special economy trucks, combining advanced technology and special equipment to offer maximum fuel economy in a gas-powered Chevy conventional pickup. These models come in a choice of a 6-cylinder or a small block V8 gas engine and feature a new 4-speed overdrive transmission. To meet the needs of special vocational applications, Chevy's chassis cab is designed to handle a wide range of bodies, and it's available in regular, bonus, and crew cab versions. All Chevy models are available in either 2-wheel drive or part-time 4-wheel drive with new automatic locking front hubs, which eliminate the need to get out of the vehicle to lock or unlock the front hubs. Chevy pickups are available in 3 series to offer a wide range of payload choices, from a maximum gross payload of 2,596 pounds in C10 all the way to a maximum gross payload of 5,340 pounds in C30 with Chevy's Big Dually option. 3 series, 2- and 4-wheel drive, step-side and fleet-side, bonus and crew cab, chassis cab, Big Dually, diesel power, and new special economy trucks. Chevy pickups, new lines, new logic, new technology. An important step ahead for the 80s. Blazer, an important step ahead for the 80s. The practical way to combine utility and fun in a choice of 2 versatile models. There's the C10 Blazer, the versatile 2-wheel drive model with the smooth-riding, massive girder beam independent front suspension. Or the K10 Blazer with efficient part-time 4-wheel drive. It features new front hubs that lock automatically when you shift into 4-wheel drive, eliminating the inconvenience of having to get out of the cab. 4-wheel drive ground-grabbing traction when it's needed. The more economical 2-wheel drive mode the rest of the time. And how's this for versatility? The available rear seat folds out of the way, or it can be removed altogether to provide up to 106 cubic feet of cargo space. Both models are redesigned and engineered for impressive operating efficiency, offering such innovations as a new high-compression 5-liter V8 engine. It provides nearly the same horsepower and torque of the larger 5.7-liter V8 with fuel economy rivaling a 6-cylinder. Blazer, a versatile sport utility vehicle redesigned to meet the high standards of efficiency and convenience demanded for the 80s, on and off the road. Chevy Suburban for 1981. Newly designed for good looks and impressive operating efficiency. The truck-tough super wagon that makes family trips practical with the versatility to haul a whole bunch of cargo, as well as tow up to 9,500 pounds when properly equipped. That's 2 tons more than an ordinary full-size station wagon can. As a spacious people carrier with a ride and comfort that rivals a full-size passenger car, it can carry 9 adults with available seating. Even with 9 passengers, there's still enough room for 35 cubic feet of cargo, more than the trunk space of a typical full-size car. Remove the optional 3rd seat, and fold the optional second seat, and there's room for 144 cubic feet of cargo. Select the traction-grabbing part-time four-wheel drive model with new convenient automatic locking front hubs, which eliminate the need to get out of the cab. Or choose the impressively smooth-riding two-wheel drive Suburban. The 81 Suburban, tremendously versatile, comfortable for plenty of people, and loaded with new features and new value. An important step ahead in a handsome, tough truck from Chevrolet. Significant technological advancements helped make the 1981 Chevy pickup, Blazer, and Suburban a real value in today's energy-conscious world. Value because each one contributes to their impressive fuel economy. Less horsepower is needed to move the load without sacrificing the quality, toughness, roominess, or high standard of comfort and operating convenience that people expect from a Chevy truck. This major engineering accomplishment is the result of a massive effort to take a proven product and make it better through hundreds of technological advancements and refinements made throughout the entire vehicle. Virtually every part of the 81 models has been evaluated and examined by engineers, striving to save pounds, even ounces, without sacrificing toughness. On the average, the 81 CK models are over 200 pounds lighter than their 80 counterparts. And that means it takes less power to get going and keep going. From the standpoint of efficiency, the real beauty of Chevy's new styling lies in its improved aerodynamics. The contours of the hood and fenders are smoother, so the air flows more easily over its surfaces for less wind resistance or a lower drag coefficient. Another factor affecting efficiency is rolling resistance, and rolling resistance has been reduced significantly due to new low-drag disc brakes and easy-rolling radial tires, standard with all models under 8,500 pounds GVWR. Some of the biggest advancements contributing to operating efficiency have been incorporated into Chevy's engine and drivetrain components. For example, the 4.1-liter 6 has been improved with a redesigned camshaft and recalibrated carburetor for smoother operation and drivability. And the new 5-liter high-compression V8 incorporates the latest in electronic wizardry, making it downright revolutionary. It's an engineering breakthrough, because this small displacement 4-barrel V8 can put out nearly the same horsepower and torque of the larger 5.7-liter power plant. Yet Chevrolet engineers expect it to offer fuel efficiency that approaches a 6-cylinder engine. This was accomplished first by increasing the engine's compression ratio. High compression, combined with a 4-barrel carburetor, increased horsepower and torque. But operating a high compression engine under heavy load conditions with regular unleaded fuel usually creates detrimental engine knock that robs power and wastes fuel. To control knock and still enable this engine to operate at peak efficiency without the need for higher cost, higher octane fuel, engineers developed an innovative electronic spark control system. It features a sensor that listens for detonation in the engine. And when it hears the first hint of knock, it instantly signals a control unit, which in turn electronically retards engine timing to control knocking. The unit then allows the timing to adjust back to the highest possible spark advance for the right combination of performance and efficiency. It's like driving with a master technician under the hood. A torque converter clutch, standard with all Chevy trucks equipped with automatic transmission and rated under 8,500 pounds GVWR, is another example of advanced driveline engineering. It provides a mechanical link with the engine at normal road speeds, and that allows the engine to operate at reduced RPM. This mechanical linking helps prevent fuel-wasting slippage. Here's a demonstration. This tachometer is reading RPM just before the torque converter clutch is engaged. As acceleration levels off to a normal road speed, the clutch engages. Notice how the RPM drop accordingly. The end result? The engine turns slower, while road speed is maintained. This adds to fuel efficiency. A Along with engineering advancements like these, Chevrolet offers a wide choice of available engines, transmissions, and rear axle ratios, so an efficient power team can be selected to fit the job. Choose the right engine from this available selection of 2 inline sixes and 6 V8s, including diesel power for C10 pickups. For the maximum fuel economy in a gas-powered full-size Chevy pickup, there are 2 special economy truck models. One's equipped with a fuel-efficient 4.1-liter inline six. The other with a new 5-liter high-compression V8 with electronic spark control. Both feature a new 4-speed overdrive transmission, a select brand of radial tires for reduced rolling resistance, numerically low rear axle ratio, and special exterior trim that adds to aerodynamic efficiency. New aerodynamics, new economy, new power. That's what helps make Chevy pickups, Blazers, and Suburbans so efficient. Tough, as much a part of an 81 Chevy truck as it's ever been. Tested tough in the lab, tested tough at the General Motors Proving Ground, well beyond the limits of normal driving. Strength and rigidity for the Chevy front end comes from a massive steel girder beam that acts as a front crossmember for the frame. Impressive ride and handling comes from the front suspension's 4 steel control arms and computer-selected coil springs. Each side works independently of the other to help smooth the ride and help keep the wheel travel vertical to avoid tire scrubbing. The foundation of Chevy Toughness is this ladder-type frame. Deep section channel side rails are thick carbon steel with frame cross members riveted to the upper and lower rail, forming an alligator jaw attachment that adds the torsional strength for a tough backbone. Chevy's cab is built for lightweight toughness. Embossments or ribs stamped into the lightweight steel panels in the cab, as well as fleet-side pickup box inner panels, add strength and rigidity without the need for heavier gauge steels. The cabin doors, as well as the hood and fenders, are made of tough double-wall construction. The fleet-side pickup box sidewalls and tailgate are also double-walled for toughness and protection of the outside appearance. A dent inside has to be awfully big to show here. Chevy Tough also means an extensive anti-corrosion program to fight rust, with Chevrolet engineers continually searching for new and better ways to resist corrosion at every level. For example, for 1981, clear urethane shields are installed ahead of the rear wheels to help prevent minor stone chipping of the paint. And new splash guards between the front wheel housings and the frame significantly reduce the amount of road splash that can reach the engine compartment. Here's what last year's pickup looked like under the hood when going through deep water. Now compare that with this 81 Chevy pickup with the new splash guards. Quite a difference. In fact, Chevrolet is so confident of its anti-corrosion protection that it covers every Chevy truck with a perforation from corrosion limited warranty, good for a full 36 months regardless of mileage. Chevrolet, new features, new value, same tough build. There's a refreshing new look from Chevrolet in 1981. Pickup, Blazer, and Suburban. Contemporary upfront styling with the look of practical efficiency and aerodynamic lines that lead to economical operation. From bold new grille and sculptured fenders to functional side marker lamps and new tailgate, each facet enhances the overall crisp appearance. In addition to the standard custom deluxe trim, 3 other trim levels are available to provide a choice, from good-looking to top-of-the-line luxury. Bright exterior touches mark this trim as the most luxurious member of Chevy's truck family. Standard with Silverado and available for any pickup, Blazer, or Suburban, the brilliance of chrome bumpers and grille and distinctive stacked dual rectangular headlamps. Pickup, Blazer, and Suburban are available with the exterior decor package that includes special two-tone paint, dual-tone body striping, and distinctive trim. Chevy's Sport Package option can add contemporary flair to step-side or fleet-side pickups. And on the inside, Scottsdale trim and plush pile carpeting. Interiors are also new for 81. The standard custom deluxe interior features new instrument panel pad, door trim, and striped vinyl seat trim. This new standard full foam seat with inertia latches conveniently folds forward in two-door pickups for access to a handy storage space. High back bucket seats in striped vinyl are standard in Blazer Custom Deluxe. High back buckets in either leather grain vinyl or custom cloth are also available in all two-door pickups and Silverado Suburban. For a step up in pickups and Suburbans, the Scottsdale interior provides color-keyed trim, floor covering, and a choice of custom cloth upholstery or leather grain vinyl, optional on four-door pickups and Suburban. The Cheyenne interior for Chevy pickups. Everything in the Scottsdale interior, plus custom steering wheel, high-style instrument panel, convenient storage pockets in the doors, plush color-keyed carpeting, sound-absorbing headliner, and more. Silverado, more luxurious than the interior of many passenger cars, includes the features of the other trim levels, plus full-gauge instrumentation, luxurious door trim panels, and functional door assist straps, and more. No matter whether it's a new Suburban, Blazer, or pickup, each offers the interior and exterior appointments that convey the style and the look for the 80s. While Chevy trucks are built tough to stay tough, they're also built to be as comfortable and convenient as many passenger cars. The doors are big and wide, so getting in is easy. Anyone sitting in a Chevy truck can't help but notice the amount of comfortable room. Plenty of leg room and head room. Plenty of hip room and shoulder room. In fact, Chevy pickup, Blazer, and Suburban provide more room up front than luxury cars like Cadillac or Mercedes, or even Rolls-Royce. Visibility is impressive from a Chevy because of its large windshield and narrow pillars. And down front visibility is greatly improved by the redesigned hood slope. And available for the Blazer and Suburban this year is the privacy of one-way glass. Air conditioning is available for all models. And a rear unit's also available for Suburban, so rear passengers can be just as comfortable as those in front. And the available automatic cruise control now has a resume feature, great for long trips. The amazingly smooth, comfortable ride of a two-wheel drive Chevy truck is due largely to the action of Chevy's famous massive girder beam independent front suspension. Here's a demonstration to show you how Chevy suspension helps keep road shock out of the passenger compartment. It's the independent action of the wheels and front suspension, combined with recalibrated shocks as well as redesigned rubber body mounts that isolate road vibration and shock from the body and from the passenger compartment for a smoother ride than last year's models. In addition, Chevy's standard full foam seat makes it even more pleasant and comfortable. Chevrolet, the tough truck, that's designed with comfort and convenience in mind. Many people think four-wheel drive is only for tortuous trackless terrain, where the benefits are four-wheel power and traction. But four-wheel drive traction can also be a big plus right around home, in mud, sleet, or snow, where the benefit is the convenience of road-grabbing traction. On or off the road, Chevy 4x4s are for people who need to get where they're going. Why a Chevy? For a lot of reasons. Because of a proven tough solid front axle that encloses the axle shafts, protecting them from dirt and grime. Because of road smoothing leaf spring front and rear suspension systems. Because of the kind of control that comes from Chevy's standard heavy-duty front stabilizer bar. Because the convenience and ease of power steering, another standard feature of these Chevy four-wheelers. And because the 1981 4x4s, Pickup, Blazer, and Suburban have a new part-time four-wheel drive system that provides four-wheel traction when it's needed, and the more economical two-wheel drive mode the rest of the time. The big news for 81. All Chevy Series 10 and 20 4x4s feature new automatic locking front hubs. This lets the driver shift into four-wheel drive without having to leave the cab. Shifting from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive can be done while moving up to 25 miles per hour. Getting back into two-wheel drive simply means stopping the vehicle, shifting the transfer case back to too high, reversing direction approximately 10 feet, which automatically unlocks the hubs, and the Chevy 4x4 is back in the more fuel-efficient two-wheel drive again. It's that simple. Also new for 81 is a convenient illuminated transfer case shift position indicator for Series 10 and 20 models. Too high is for normal driving on dry, hard surfaces. 4 high is used for going on off-road surfaces or slippery paved conditions. The 4 low position is for extra tough going in deep snow or mud or up very steep grades. The 4 low gear reduction is better than 2 to 1 for more than twice the torque in four-wheel drive. The heart of the four-wheel drive system is an all-new synchronized transfer case that's more than 50 pounds lighter than the one it replaces. For rugged off-roading, Chevy offers special equipment options like protective stone shield plates. And new for 81 is a handling package that includes heavy-duty rear shock absorbers and quad front shocks for better control and to help reduce power hop. For practical convenience, good traction off-road, the ability to get there when you really need to get there, and efficient economical operation in normal driving, it's a tough 4x4 from Chevrolet in 1981.